As heavy spells of rains disrupt normalcy in southern Indian states, Andhra Pradesh saw roads inundated in Tirupati and Kadapa districts. At least 15 people have lost their lives and 18 are still missing. Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has conducted an aerial survey of the flood-affected areas. Here's more.
Buses washed away, and with them 20 villagers in Andhra Pradesh's Kadapa district as heavy rains continue to batter the state. Several areas of Andhra Pradesh including Kadapa and Anantapur districts remain inundated, resulting in loss of life and property. Kadiri town in Anantapur district witnessed a massive building collapse, leaving 2 children dead and at least 4 residents trapped under the rubble. 6 residents of the building were rescued by officials and are being treated at a local hospital. The heavy rains are the result of a depression over the Bay of Bengal that crossed the coast between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh on Friday. Floods in Tirumala, the abode of Lord Venkateshwara, has left hundreds of pilgrims stranded. The 4 streets adjoining the main temple in the Tirumala hills are also inundated. Videos showed heavy flow of water from the hills, the rivers overflowing and taking with it cattle and vehicles. Efforts by the Indian Air Force are on to rescue the stranded. Worried about the situation in rain-battered Andhra, Prime Minister Modi dialed Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and has assured full support to the state.
So all the collectors are, I think all of you have been with whatever limitations on rain, you've been doing a good job. But please make sure that all of you are very compassionate towards the needs of the people. Families that have unfortunately been casualties in this, please ensure that payment of 5 lakhs is given to them at the earliest.
Met Department has predicted more rains and heavy rain in Telangana. Districts of South Telangana will receive rain, including Hyderabad. And Hyderabad Weather Department has predicted rain and drizzling in Hyderabad too.
With Ashish Pandey and Pramod Madhav, Bureau Report, India Today.